Hey folks, do you want to make calls directly from your Apple Watch? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. By watching this video, you can call anyone right from your wrist using the phone app or contacts. Because in this video, I'll show you 3 methods to make calls from your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Using Apple Watch keypad. Open up the phone app on your Apple Watch. Then tap on the keypad icon. Enter the number you want to call and then tap on the call icon below. If you go back, here you will find the contacts option as well. Method 2. Using the contact app. Open up the contact app from your Apple Watch. Tap on it. Here you will see your contacts. Now select the contact you want to call. Then tap on the call icon. Method 3. Using Siri. Press and hold the digital crown button. Siri will appear. Now say, "Hey Siri, call contact name." And that's it. This is how you can make calls from your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.